Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go here. Oh, sorry, wrong one. There we go.
Dog-
I'm sorry.
Never played Dog Walk 2-player obby before.
No,
They were both-
this is not.
They were both
This is the
bottom.
best.
Oh,
this is
I
the
don't
best
like this.
ever.
Give the
This is
good
the
boy a
best ever.
hug.
Jack, we played this before.
I don't remember. Did we?
Why do I have,
Yes, we have.
do I have to be
pretty
good
sure I have
It
boy?
was definitely a different one. It's not this one.
Why am I good boy?
You're also like shaking your
It's
ass.
just people.
What? Stand still. If I pay 9 bucks, I can do a poop explosion on fire.
Dude.
Why am I being attacked by my chainsaw man origin?
Yeah,
Why am I-
you're Pochita. But he got a whole bakery. And there's a naked man. Watch out, there's a naked man.
Oh my god.
He's
And,
running. Oh dear. I feel like he's
Yeah,
not
hell.
just naked to be naked. I feel like there's another.
This is disgusting.
This is genuinely the worst game.
You know you're having fun. Look at me shake my buns.
You have to go to this side. This is your side.
Okay.
Never fucking mind.
Is this my side? Do I dare go to this side? Oh.
Truly an experience.
Want to explode from Peppa P?
Okay.
What?
What? What are you talking about?
It's totally. I can push. Oh my god! Everything in this game costs money.
Go through your little doggy window. Oh, I don't think the vet bills are gonna pay this. Dude, you are seasoned. Do not die again. With our umbilical cord attached, we will not die. Yo, okay,
Hold
this
on,
music's
stop.
pissing me off. Shut up.
Oh, I turned it off. I'm gonna do an open mic. Come on, if I do this, can you pick? Does that pick up?
I didn't want ASMR of you being a dog. Not. You're gonna slip and fall. I hope you do at least. Dude, without the music and just the ambience of your computer fans and the panting, oh, and you fell. This game became like 5 times more awkward than it should be. Why is it just okay? I guess it was just a. Oh. Oh, don't get me started. The baddie is here. Can you pull me up or no? Oh yeah, you can. I'm glad my sentient dog can pull me up. Oh,
I'm so uncomfortable hearing this. Jesus Christ.
oh, this game.
You did not need to go all. You did not need to go all out, bro. Getting a little too into this, pal.
There was an animator working behind this game who said, "Yeah, let's make the dog just shake its buns. Just, yeah. Well, this is what I."
Why are you actually losing breath because of what's going on?
Dude, you're gonna have like an asthma attack before we beat the end of this. Hey, buddy. Buddy, you were supposed to come back and push your button.
Game over this, thank you.
Oh,
Just give me a second, alright? Just give me a second.
coughing up a bone. Ah, there we go.
And you got phantom dogs.
Dude. It's all you.
Look, she just saved you. Give the good girl a hug.
No, I'm okay. Pull me up. There we go.
Alright, time to shake my buns through the hole.
Oh, you have to do all this. You gotta go through the doors. Wait, that's like a reference to doors.
We are doing this next week in real life.
Bro.
Next group adventure.
With your own dogs, right?
Well,
Dogs.
Welcome to the new
Who needs
Amazing
those?
Beagle Circus adventure. Today, Jax is gonna be doing puppy play with Pomni.
Oh, hey, Pomni.
Wait, Pomni.
Funny Bunny mentioned at what cause?
It's both of them at the jump. Aha! Nice try, red
Ready?
blocks.
Ready? I can poop explosion.
They're coming!
Right.
Get up! And now I gotta go to your side. What did you even do? Dude. You're joking. Oh, okay, that was me. I can... Oh, we're so good at this game. I'm lying. Okay. Okay, give me like 2 seconds. Hang on. Stay right where you are. Right there. Okay. Better not have dragged me off while I was gone. Okay, we're still kicking. Go, go, go! And we did it. We beat Dog Walk Obby, and it was horrible.